Hi, and welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make faceless videos, well, Synthesia AI is a tool you might want to use. All right, so basically, what is Synthesia AI? It's an AI powered video creation platform that lets you turn text into polished videos with realistic avatars and voiceovers. So imagine this: you type up a script like, I don't know, how to start investing $100. You pick an avatar from over 230 options, and Synthesia generates a video in minutes. No filming required, no editing skills needed. It has over 140 languages, so you can reach a global audience, and it's perfect for various niches. I mean, marketing, finance, travel, just about anything you can think. All right, so let's check out Synthesia's brief presentation.
Welcome to Synthesia, the #1 AI video platform for business. With just a few clicks, you can transform boring text into highly engaging training, sales, or marketing videos using high-quality AI avatars and voices. Try it out for free today.
All right, so why don't we try a brief demo? And now it says edit your video script in any language. So we can just write something here. And okay, so San Marzano tomatoes are the best tomatoes in the world, grown in the San Marzano region of Italy. San Marzano tomatoes are an amazing addition to your sauce. I don't know if it's true that they're the best tomatoes, but um, sell it to me. All right, so it says the video is coming via email, and it should take apparently 5 to 10 minutes. So let's get back to that.
San Marzano tomatoes are the best tomatoes in the world. Grown in the San Marzano region of Italy, San Marzano tomatoes are an amazing addition to your sauce.
Okay, so that was a demo. I think that was pretty cool. Um, the avatars do feel a little bit stiff, but I think faceless YouTube channel avatars in general feel still kind of stiff. But if you want to try your own demo, please visit Synthesia AI. Or if you want to start with a paid service, they have an $18 a month tier. And you can try making as many faceless videos as you want and use as many avatars as you want. Thank you for watching the video. And that's it.